Question 2. Determine whether the following terms are surds. Then give your reason. Okay. So let's look at what is a surd and what is not a surd. So a surd means you will have the square root. Let's say square root of 5. Square root of 5 is just square root of 5. Not a surd is, for example, square root of 4. Square root of 4 we can get it as 2. So this is not a surd. Square root of 4 over 9, let's say. Okay, so square root of 4 over 9 is 2 over 3. So these are all not surds because we can square root the answer lah. Square root of 7, for example. Square root of 10, for example. So all these numbers, square root of 10, square root of 7, you can see the answer is a non-recurring decimal. Basically, it's just a random number lah. If it's a random number, it is a surd. If it's a recurring decimal, let's say square root of 4 over 9, 0.666666. You see the 66666 is recurring, right? That means this is a surd. I mean, this is not a surd, sorry. So basically, whatever we can get rid of the square root is not a surd lah. Okay, let's look at the question. Cube root of 127. This is a non-recurring decimal, so this has to be a surd because it is a non-recurring decimal. Okay. B. Root 4 of 1125. Same thing, it's a surd because the decimal is not recurring. So I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, C. Root 6 of 64 over 7 to 9. This is 2 over 3. You can see the decimal is recurring, 6666666. So we can say this is not a surd because it is a recurring decimal. Then finally D, root 7 of 79 over 897. The decimal is just random, so this has to be a surd. So I just copy this and duplicate it. So only C is not a surd. Others all surd lah.